Hi guys, welcome to Ukeguide. In this lesson, we'll be covering the very beautiful song Ishq Tera Le Dooba from the movie Aiyaary. This song is requested by Faiza, Neha and Rishabh. So guys, I hope you will be enjoying this lesson. And in case you people also have any song requests, आपका कोई favorite गाना है और आप चाहते हैं कि आप उसे अपनी ukulele पर play करें, तो do write to me. The handle is right here on your screen. Connect me on Instagram and I'll make sure that I'll get it done for you as soon as possible. So with this, let's take out our uke. So guys, once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in tune. And then let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 4 chords, and these 4 chords are chord G, chord E minor, chord C and chord D. Now to play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord E minor, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 1st string, your middle finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 3rd string, and chord E minor will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. In this song, we are using a common strumming pattern, that is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So guys, this song has 2 major parts. The first one is verse and the second one is chorus. Now the song will be started from chorus. So let me quickly explain you this part. So you will be starting with a single downstroke like this, and then you have to do the strumming pattern. Okay, you have to play the strumming pattern like this. So you have to repeat this pattern 1 time on each chord when you will be playing the chorus part. Okay, so 1 chord to the other and you have to repeat this pattern 1 time on each chord. So next part of this song is verse. So there are 4 chords in this part and you have to repeat this pattern 1 time each. And guys, I'll be displaying all the instructions over the screen as well, so you can easily relate things and it will further help you to play this song. So guys, while playing this song, I will not be using any capo, but if you sing on a higher range than me, then you can use a capo on the fretboard. Okay, you can place it on 2nd fret or 4th fret as per your choice. And then you can use the same chords what we are using in this lesson. Alright, so now let's start playing the song. Mainu ishq tera le dooba, haan ishq tera le dooba, mainu ishq tera le dooba, haan ishq tera le dooba. ऐसा क्यों होता है तेरे जाने के बाद, लगता है हाथों में रह गए तेरे हाथ, तू शामिल है मेरे हंसने में रोने में, है क्या कोई कमी मेरे पागल होने में, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा. हर दफा वही जादू होता है, तू जो मिले हो दिन सवर जाता है, यारा एक लम्हे में कितनी यादें बन जाती हैं, मैं इतना हंसती हूँ आंखें भर आती हैं, तू शामिल है मेरे हंसते में रोने में, है क्या कोई कमी मेरे पागल होने में, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा। So guys, I'm sure आपको ये lesson पसंद आया होगा. If you want to see more lessons like this in future, make sure you subscribe me and follow me on Instagram. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.